welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing some mini braids on my natural hair. So I have a bottle of water here. It has a little bit of rosemary mint oil in here. I'm just giving my hair a quick spritz and I'm going to detangle. One reason why I am doing these is because I keep getting all this shedding. My hair has been shedding bad since 2020. I think it's just time to live a more stress-free life because I believe that's where my shedding is coming from. Okay, so I have my hair sectioned off. I'm really not trying to do these too small, and if you follow my channel for any length of time, you know my small is tiny. Okay, so these I would consider big. But I just say, you know what, I just need my hair up. I need to be able to take care of my hair, wash it, lay it down if I want to throw a wig on. I just need to be able to be in a place where I can access my hair and take very good care of it. I'm not sure if I'm the only one that's experiencing lots of shedding or anything like that, any breakage, but I'm just gonna wait until my condition stabilizes and we'll see how to move forward with my hair. And I think mini braids will give my hair a chance to kind of recuperate. I can do lots of things like deep condition or any treatments that I want to do. So I'm really excited about the opportunity to take better care of my hair. I actually used to wear mini braids and mini twists back in the day, and they really did help my hair a lot. As a matter of fact, I do have a couple of videos here on YouTube, okay? If you want to check those out, I will link those videos in the description box below. But I have been doing my hair on YouTube with mini braids and mini twists for quite a while, like a few years. So I'll link those below. Yeah, so I plan on wearing these mini braids probably about 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, because my hair does grow really fast in them, speaking from previous experience. And I know there are some girls that can probably stretch this to about 6 to 8 weeks. My hair just would never do that. I'm telling you right now, it would look a mess, and then it would start to do like weird tangles at the roots, and it would just look bad. So, and it would take forever for me to take it down as well if I leave it up too long past its expiration date, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this up for 3 to 4 weeks, and then I will probably do another set. But I'm so excited to share with you all the things that I have, because the last time I did these I was much younger. A little more inexperienced, which is not necessarily a bad thing. It keeps your hands out of your hair, you know. But this time around, I have amazing tools that I think will really help me out. I want to do bentonite clay on these. I did in one of my other videos, I don't even know if I have this video posted, but I did a hibiscus mask on my mini twist, I believe, and that turned out really nice. I want to do hot oil treatments, all the things, because it's so much easier to take care of my hair when I don't have to worry about all the loose strands. Plus, I can still upload videos of new hairstyles. I can still do crochet. I can do all those things, okay, and not have to worry about the stress of taking down my hair completely, you know, and I just don't have time for that, okay? And my hair needs a break. So that's definitely what I have coming up. I have this really cool heated cap tool that I want to use for deep conditionings. I was thinking about doing a protein treatment because I feel as though my hair has become way more high porosity lately. I don't know what it is. But I don't know if you all have experienced the porosity shift in your hair. I don't have any chemicals or anything in my hair, but you know, it could just be age. It could be age. It could be the fact that I just am aging and my hair is changing. I know they say our hair changes every 7 years, and I am 35. So I'm thinking that maybe it's just another shift in my hair's timeline. So, um, yep. But I am really excited to show you all what I plan on doing. Another thing that I did that grew my hair out super fast, along with the mini twists and the mini braids, I used ashwagandha. Okay, so ashwagandha was amazing. I said in the previous video, I definitely want to get into the Ayurvedic herbs and everything. But yeah, I would love to get into Ayurveda and really look into the health benefits of that as well. Like I said, I want to be healthy inside and outside. That's one of the things I wanted to use as well. I also have botana oil. Okay, if y'all know Dr. Sabi, he basically preaches about, well, he used to preach about botana oil before he died, but preaches about the health benefits and the hair growth benefits of botana oil. I'll post a video up about that, and that video should be up before this one. But if not, then it'll be uploaded immediately after this video, because botana oil, let me tell you, that's something else. That botana oil is something else, you guys. It's so good. But anyway, back to this set of mini braids. So as you can see, I am trying to keep my sections at a decent size. I felt myself getting those braids smaller and smaller, and I was like, no. So I had to part bigger, because I'm telling y'all, like, these would be micro braids real quick. And 7 hours later, I'm like, what's taking so long? So as you can see, there's this tiny little piece here. I accidentally cut my hair when I was taking out my Yankee twist, and that was completely my fault. I didn't have my braid down right. I just wanted my hair done. And because of that, when I went to go take my hair down, some of my natural hair was not tucked, and it got snipped. That's that. So it's just a small piece. But what's weird is I have cut my hair in that exact spot so many times since I've been doing my own hair. Over 20 years, okay? I don't know what it is about that spot, but it always gets like a big, huge, big chop. It's so funny. But anyway, I'm doing the back here. I don't normally use a mirror when I do the back of my hair, even if I'm doing braids or twists or anything like that, box braids, knotless. I cannot use a mirror to do the back of my head. It's annoying and it's a distraction. I feel like I do a better job without using a mirror for the back of my head. My goal here is not to get these things like super neat, like the neatest braids you've ever seen. That's not my goal. My goal is to have some braids in my head that are, about the same size, and for me to be able to take care of my hair. One of the main reasons why I wanted to get this style is because I've been wearing a lot of wigs lately for a protective style, and I cannot do the cornrows, you guys. Like, the cornrows make my head itch so badly. So here's an example here. I have this wig. I made a video with this wig last year, but yeah, it's a cute little wig. And what do I have up under here? I have my braids. These mini braids are absolutely perfect for wigs. If you don't like cornrows, or if your hair is sensitive to cornrows like mine is for whatever reason, you can definitely use these mini braids as a braid down for your wigs as well. And I think it's a double style, right? Because you can wear them without the wig and you can wear them with the wig. So what I'm doing here is I'm just spraying my hair, you know, regular maintenance. At this point, I've had these braids up for about a week and a half, and I'm just going in with some water and mint oil, and I'm gonna bring in my Kantha Bae lotion from Design Essentials and use it as a moisturizer, just to kind of like, you know, do the upkeep on my hair when I'm not wearing the wig. I'm just making sure I moisturize really well and give myself a nice little scalp massage while I'm at it, because that always helps hair grow. And I wanted to try a couple of quick little styles. So I know my hair is really short. I cut it into a bob. It's in a big afro right now, so I'll put a picture here. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of experiment with little hairstyles. I know my hair is really short, but I think these little styles are like super cute. I know that some people may be uncomfortable with the length of their hair. Like, my hair is really short and I'm okay with that, but sometimes it does make it a little bit harder to style. So I do have a little solution for you. So what you're gonna do is gather as much of your hair as you can, all the way up to the top into a ponytail. I did use a little bit of hairpins just to kind of help out the process. And I put bobby pins or hairpins in the front and back to see how those shorter pieces are sticking out. You can just tuck those with a bobby pin. It doesn't have to be like perfect. I think it looks cuter the messier it is. And then what you're gonna wanna do is get you one of these hair ponytails.
Okay, I just wanted to slow this down real quick because I wanted to show y'all that this hair color is a 1B. This ponytail is a 1B, which is an off black, and my natural hair is a number 1, which is a jet black, because people keep saying that black people can't naturally have number 1 jet black hair, and I do. So here it is, folks. So anyway, that's not part of the video. I just wanted to point that out because people will argue up and down about what you have on your own head. Anyway.
So you take this here ponytail, and this is a drawstring ponytail. Of course, I will link it below. Get this nice and secure to your tiny little ponytail, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to use bobby pins and hairpins to pin it into place. So that's what I'm kind of doing here. And as I'm pinning this up, I am pulling out some of these pretty curly pieces because I think that looks so cute, right? And as you can see in the back, I have some coming out, but I don't know. I guess for me, I think it looks kind of cute like that. I just kind of feel like it adds to the messy look that I'm going for with this little ponytail style. But yeah, how adorable is that? Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please leave a like, subscribe, put a comment down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.